So moving forward, this is a continuation of the previous videos. If you are just joining, please kindly pause and check on the previous video. That way you can actually follow up to see where we are at. So now going into not null, this table currently accepts null, right? So if we go to select up from person, we can see that the name and age here, the age here, they are all null values, right? So we want to create a table, a column that does not accept null. So the first thing I'll do is I want to edit the already created one, right? So how do I edit? What I'll do is I want to alter the table. Alter table. They mention the table I want to alter. By the way, alter means I want to edit. I want to change something in it. So alter table person. Then in table person, I also want to alter a column there, which is column age. Column age in it, and the column age has an integer data type, right? So it has integer data type. Then I want to change that to not null. So let's try to run this. Okay, we have an error. It says cannot insert value null into column age. So why do we have this error? Because if we check the table, we have existing data there that are actually null. So if we are going to change this thing that it does not accept null, then we need to take all this out, because it's a new rules there that we don't want null there. So what I'm going to do is, let me delete all the data there. Delete from person. So if I delete without using the where keyword, right, let's see what happens. That's funny. So it automatically deletes everything there. So you have to be careful when you're using the delete keyword. So delete from a table where the primary key equal to, you will give the primary key. That way it will only delete the particular way you want to delete. So you can see what happened when I click delete from person. Just wipe out everything in your database. So if you're having a real job and you type delete from an existing table, you might as well delete your job. Anyway, I'm just joking. So going forward to the table, we'll see now that we have nothing available in the table. Then we can go ahead and change the age into null. Right, it succeeded. We no longer have the error. Now if we go ahead and insert into this table and put a null value in the age limit, age space, let's see what happens. So it says cannot insert value into null. So in real life, we can also have extra if else to undo this error. So that way the user will see something like, oh, this field cannot be null. So let's just put an existing age there. Let's put 52. Then if we run that, then it will accept it. So that is basically how not null is. So any field that we put the not null value there, it means that it cannot accept empty value. So if you are creating a table, like you can see here, I altered a table. But if you are creating a table, then you want to make sure that in front of the field that you don't want to accept null value, you just add something like not null. And that's it. In the next video, we will look into let's see which one we have. We'll look into unique, why we need unique. We'll look that in the next video. See you in the next video.